In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Google account from Samsung phone. First, let's open Settings on your Samsung phone. You can find the Settings icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. It looks like a gear icon. Tapping this will take you to the main Settings menu. This is the hub where you can manage all aspects of your device. It's crucial to navigate here because this is where you will find options to customize your phone. Once you have accessed Settings, you will be ready to move on to the next step. Next, tap on Accounts and Backup. This option can usually be found near the top of the Settings menu. By selecting this, you are opening a section that allows you to manage all your accounts and backups in one convenient location. This is important because it helps keep your data organized and makes it easier to find what you need. After tapping on this option, you will see a list of accounts linked to your device. Now let's continue to the next step. Now tap on Manage Accounts. This will display all the accounts currently set up on your Samsung phone. Here you can see all the different types of accounts, including Google, Samsung, and any other services you might have added. It is vital to manage your accounts carefully, as they hold your personal data and preferences. This step is where you will choose which Google account you want to remove. Once you've located the account you wish to delete, we can proceed to the next step. From here, tap the Google account you want to remove. This action will open a new screen where you can see details about that specific account. It's essential to select the correct account because removing the wrong one could lead to loss of access to important information. Once you are on this screen, you will notice various options related to that account. Now let's move on to the next step to remove the account. Next, tap Remove Account. This option is typically located at the bottom of the screen. Tapping this will initiate the process of removing the selected Google account from your device. It's important to note that this does not permanently delete the account but only removes it from your Samsung phone. This means you can still access the account from other devices if needed. After you tap this option, the system will ask you for confirmation before proceeding. Then, tap Remove Account again to confirm. This step ensures that you really want to go through with the removal. It's a safety measure to prevent accidental deletions. Confirming this action will initiate the removal process. You should see a brief message indicating that the account is being removed. This confirmation is vital as it ensures you are fully aware of the changes being made. If prompted, enter your PIN, password, or pattern. This is a security measure to protect your data. Entering this information verifies your identity and ensures that only you can make changes to your accounts. It's a standard procedure for most security-sensitive actions on your phone. Once you have successfully entered your credentials, you can proceed to the final step. Finally, wait until the account is removed. This process might take a few moments depending on your device and the size of the account. You will see a progress indicator as the system works to complete the removal. This is an important step because it assures you that the process is underway. Once it's finished, you will no longer see that Google account linked to your Samsung phone. You have successfully removed the account.